2007 Chevy Express high top conversion van, Southern Comfort Ultimate, fully loaded, clean Carfax. This is a local trade from a Mercedes dealer here locally in Florida. It's no rust. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. This van looks like it has 30,000 miles. It has 150,000 original miles. It's been well kept, smoke-free, rust-free. It's gorgeous inside and out. Two-tone leather interior, TV, DVD, backup camera, track vision. This van is in excellent, excellent condition. Looks like it has 30,000 miles. The paint and body shows beautifully. Hardly any marks around it at all. It's got gorgeous fade paint. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. I'm gonna give you the full tour here. Ask for the van man, Jeff or Ken. We're proud to offer this van. It's super nice. We take trades. We buy and sell a lot of handicap vans, conversion vans. We've been in business 43 years. These are the kind of vehicles we sell. We only buy nice, clean vehicles, clean Carfax. No issues, no stories. Give you the tour of the inside here. This van is also going to come with a brand new smart TV. The TV has a couple little marks on it, so we have ordered a brand new smart TV to be installed in this van. So you have all your apps and everything you want to use. This also has the extended bed with the third piece. This way it's a full extension on the bed. It lays completely flat. Let's go inside, I'll give you the tour. The interior is in immaculate shape. The top's in great shape. Laser straight down the sides. This is just frost. It's so hot out here in Florida. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions, you can text us also to that number. Ask for the van man. This thing is beautiful. Try to point out any imperfections I can. The wheels have a little bit of pitting from age, but they're not bad at all. They're very clean and nice. They present well. No need to change them at all. Tires are in good shape. Got better than 50% on those. It's really not much to point out. It's in such great condition. Let's go through the interior. Leather seats. They're in perfect shape. Gorgeous two-tone piping. Got heated seats, power lumbar, power seats throughout, wood grain throughout. I mean, this thing is loaded. Embroidered door panels, gorgeous wood grain. There is no warning lights on. The vehicle is running. As you can see, all the levels are perfect. Everything works the way it's supposed to. The wood grain is in fantastic shape. The carpet is beautiful. We hardly come across a van like this with this kind of mileage that is as nice as this. Got the backup camera here in the sun visor, dual air, all of your controls for the rear are here. Everything is working perfectly. The air is on, it's ice cold. You know, just a beautiful, beautiful van inside and out. Give you the tour of the rear here. Got the bed folded down so you can see how that works. Gorgeous, gorgeous lighting. I mean, this van is decked out, loaded, loaded, loaded. Hard loaded. Looks and runs beautiful. Beautiful door panels. The Southern Comforts are always highly optioned. Very luxurious. Look at the back seats. They hardly look like they've been sat in. Look at that. Probably never been sat in. We're gonna replace that TV with a brand new smart TV. So this TV works, but it has a couple marks on the screen, so we will replace it. Got a nice cup holder and cooler here. I mean, just a gorgeous van. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. It does have track vision, this van. Look at that bed, it's full extension. It has a third bed piece. A lot of these vans only have the 2 cushions. This one has the 3rd cushion, and it goes back and forth and reclines up and down. So, gorgeous indirect lighting throughout. All your switches. It got a subwoofer back here that's factory. I mean, this thing, lighting throughout, it's gorgeous. Got your rear AC controls here, compartments, you got a charging station. All the blinds are in fantastic shape. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. Ask for the van man. We are happy to help. Jeff or Ken, we are van experts. That is what we do. If we don't have it in stock, we will certainly have one in stock in the near future. We do buy and sell vans all the time, so if you have one to sell, give us a call. We do pay good money for them. We do like to buy nice, clean vans, rust-free. Look at the condition of this bed, it's beautiful. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. I'm gonna go ahead and recline this up. I do have the headrest for this. So this is the third extender. This bed also slides back and forth. So the extender comes up here, and then got the headrests that go in, which have to be removed so the bed can fold all the way. Got books, manuals, everything that goes with this van, all the remotes, everything is all there. Beautiful condition, easy. These Southern Comforts are loaded down. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com or .net. We are happy to help at any time. Ask for the van man, ask for Ken. Any questions or concerns, you give us a call. We are happy to help you. Look at that gorgeous lighting. What a beauty. You would not be disappointed with this van. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Thank you.